Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. ln AB equals to ln A plus ln B. Now we can apply the formula in here and here. So there should be about ln number 3 and ln s. Similar for this one, ln number 4 plus ln s. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to ln s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the s over s. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. The s over s we change by the u. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equal to ln number 4 plus u. Because we have u in here, so I will put ln number 4 go to the left. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the t equals to the u. This one that is about the constant, so you got about 0. First, the derivative of t, we have number 1. Similar for this one, that's why we have this one. This one we change by t. U we change by this one. The u we change by the t. So t divided by t, we have number 1 in here. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, we have t. The integration of this one, we have this number in here. Multiply by L and T, and we put about C. About T, that is about this one. About U, that is about L and S. This is the end. Thank you for watching.